Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm David. Thank you for joining us today.
And I'm Emily. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very important: how to introduce yourself in English.
That's right. When you meet someone for the first time, it's important to make a good impression. So let's learn how to do that in a simple and friendly way.
Let's start with the basics. When you meet someone new, the first thing you say is usually hello or hi. Then you tell them your name. For example, hi, I'm Emily.
Or you can say, hello, my name is David. It's short, easy, and polite.
Right. And after that, you can say, nice to meet you. For example, hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
And I would reply, nice to meet you too, Emily. That's a friendly way to answer.
After you say your name, you can talk about where you're from. You can say, I'm from England, or I'm from Cambodia.
Or I'm from the United States. You can also say the city, like I'm from London or I'm from New York.
That's right. It helps people learn more about you, and it keeps the conversation going.
Next, you can talk about your job or what you do every day. For example, I'm a teacher or I'm a student.
If you don't work, you can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm a homemaker. It's all part of sharing a little about your life.
Let's try a full introduction. Emily, go ahead.
Okay. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from England. I'm a student. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now I'll try. Hello, my name is David. I'm from the United States. I'm an English teacher. Nice to meet you too.
That's great. Simple, friendly, and clear.
Now, if you want to ask about the other person, you can say, what's your name? Or where are you from?
Or, what do you do? Remember to speak politely and smile. It helps people feel comfortable.
Yes, and if you don't understand, it's okay to say, can you repeat that, please? That's a good phrase to know.
And let's do a short example conversation. Ready, David?
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Emily. What's your name?
Hi, Emily. My name is David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. How about you?
I'm from England. What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. And you?
I'm a student.
That's great.
Let's review some useful phrases, everyone. Hi, I'm blank. Hello, my name is blank. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do?
Excellent. Practice these phrases every day. Try introducing yourself to a classmate, a friend, or even in front of a mirror.
And remember, a smile and a friendly tone are just as important as the words you use.
That's so true. Well, that's all for today's episode of Everyday English.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Join us next time when we talk about talking about your day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.